Our car lift is coming tomorrow.
Yay! Uh-oh, though.
Our tractor lift.
Yeah, but we're not quite ready.
Yeah, we got a mess in here, and we're not ready for this at all, and it's cold. It was 24 when I got in here this morning, but it's up to 42 already.
That's not bad.
So it'll be bearable here in a few minutes.
This is exciting for me because we actually get to start organizing.
Okay, yeah, well, good. Then go at it. I'll go inside. Watch football.
Well, that doesn't.
Oh.
That doesn't work, but
okay.
I don't think there's any football on anyway.
No.
Okay, Martha. What's the next piece that needs to go in there? You think this piece is right? Yeah, let's turn it over. How about like this? Okay. You take care of that end, I'll take care of this end. I said you go take care of the other end. I got this one. Yeah? Okay, help me pound. Help. Okay, that's good. We got that one. Thank you. That was helpful. Hey, I need that hammer, okay? Can I have the hammer? Yeah? I want the hammer. Okay. What's the next piece? Yeah. Yep. You're so helpful. It goes right here. No, no. I need your paws out of the way. Okay. Well, looks like Martha got tired of putting together the shelf. She's already resting. Hey, Martha, bring that stool over here.
Yeah. If you get it started, I'll be able to get over to middle. Now, have you measured where your shelves are going to go? The reason I ask is because it'd be nice if we didn't have 2x4s right in the middle. That's where they are.
I have not completely measured where the shelves are going to go, but I know one goes up against here.
So if I put this board right here, it'll be right in the way. I don't know how far apart I need them. I mean, you had talked about something this narrow, but I don't know that I can hardly.
Well, I thought we'd at least have.
Look at this. I got to get my.
Yeah. So we'll have one here and then one down here.
Oh, you're going to go just 3 the whole width.
Maybe, if that. I mean, I needed you to bend over and put your butt in the way to see how far we're going to go.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll have to see. We'll do the 2 of them. I don't think it'll matter. The point is there's going to be enough space we'll be able to get a light in here.
Okay.
Don't you think?
Yeah, I do. You like?
I like.
You're not going to do that for all the shelves, just for this one, right?
Well, unless you think we should. It costs us a ½ an inch, right?
Right. No, I think for this one, we kind of needed a floor so that if you put anything up there that's real dirty, it won't fall through to all your tools.
Yeah, it's annoying to get under a shelf and then have, like we had straw. Remember the straw we had on the one over?
Yeah, they got it everywhere.
Yeah, so
this
way.
will give it a ceiling and a floor.
And then we're going to put lights under here to make up for the fact that we can't get light under here anymore.
Right. Look at you already getting organized.
Yeah.
See?
Tell you what, you enable, I'll use it.
I'll happily enable you to organize. Are we soon going to have light?
I hope so.
Woohoo!
That's going to be a lot of light for up in there.
I think so.
Yeah, and it sees under here a little better than I thought it might. I probably should talk a little bit about the hat.
Yeah, that really looks like it should be my hat.
Yeah, well, on greentractortalk.com, there's a guy with the handle Ilmo, I-L-M-O. And he bought me this hat at the Farm Progress Show and dared me to wear it for an entire TTWT episode. So?
But then afterwards, I'm taking it because I like it.
I do like it. For you.
Yeah, it looks a little girly.
But hey, Carl, Ilmo.
Is there something about real men wear purple pink?
Well, I don't know. This is kind of weird.
You know this is your Christmas present, right?
What is?
Me helping you organize. Is it not worth it? You gonna help again? I need a long bar. Can you get me a long bar? You are definitely a he-man.
have to find that extra little bit of energy for my Diet Pepsis.
Yeah, absolutely. This
I'm
is
gonna let you open it.
your new Diet Pepsi center.
Really?
Yeah. I think that'll be it.
I was going to let you open it. Forgot. Yeah, we may want to switch the door around.
Yeah, that's a project for another day.
Yeah.
Martha, you're crazy. Cats never moved during that whole time. So this is something I wish we had a solution for.
Yeah, I wish we had a cost-effective power sweeper of some sort.
Yeah. If anybody has a comment about how they clean their floor without just creating a lot more dust, let us know.
Measuring tape anywhere around?
It's actually where it's supposed to be.
Really?
In the blue cabinet where it says
I never even thought to look there.
measuring tape. Nice to have a dumpster. Well, she's up on all fours, but
That's how she's going to get run over.
yeah. I think you got it. Yeah, you're through. Oh. Was she?
I'm going to try to turn my forks over so I can get up to the top shelf. The idea is to put that sprayer up on the top shelf. It's the only shelf I got clean right now. Okay, I turned them over. Christy, you do the rest.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
How's that?
Pretty good.
Keep going, just go slow. I didn't have an extra pallet, and it's pretty easy to slide anyway, so we'll just slide it off with a ladder. That worked really nice. Did you see how I had that kind of sideways on the forks, that pallet? And then I was able to go in at an angle. This thing's got a lot more lifting strength than Johnny 1. Honestly though, that's about all I can say about it in here today. I would have rather been working with Johnny. Why am I not? I guess because I don't have the loader on Johnny right now. I just put the cab on. I had the loader on Johnny too, but the better turning radius, tighter navigation is so much easier to work with inside this shed. Done for the day, huh?
No, I still need to sweep the floor.
Well, hey, we've made a lot of progress today.
We really have, yeah.
Yeah, so we're excited. The lift is coming tomorrow. Now, it won't be tomorrow to you guys.
Right.
It'll be a few days before we get the video posted, but it'll be coming soon. For us, it's tomorrow.
So we had to work all day today to clear out the spot.
Yeah, you know how it is. If you're going to have guests come, you got to clean up your house.
Right.
You know, it's going to be a little bit warmer. I think that's going to be great. It was all the little Master 80,000 BTU heater wanted to do today to keep it even pleasant in here.
Right.
It really was.
Well, we were working around, so it wasn't too bad.
It's 47 right now here on the wall, so, you know, it was fine. We had the door open a good bit this afternoon, but
yeah.
Thanks, Christy.
You're welcome. I don't think this is quite the way it'll end up, but...
No, not the final arrangement.
It's getting there.
You know, who knows? Maybe we may never have the final arrangement, right? I mean, I know you in organizing.
I know. I just like to stir things around once in a while.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
Martha, what would you like to say to the camera? Look right at the camera. Not at me. Look right at the camera. She wants to bite me.
Hey, Martha.
Look over there. Come on. Look up here. Look up here.
Yeah, what do you think? Your whiskers got burned.
Yeah. Poor cat.